So, your friends are going off to college, decorating their dorm rooms, taping stuff to their walls. Cute. Now, let's get welding. Because at Tulsa Welding School, when the hood goes down, you'll be right at home. 4 years for a college degree? Here at TWS, you can train to be a welder in as little as 7 months. Ready to find work day one. Not the classroom type? Yeah, neither are we. We prefer the kind of hands-on learning that comes from most days spent in the welding lab. Fusing metal, taming fire, making what was two into one. With experienced instructors ready to teach you how. Start with us and you'll be ready to weld. Where? That's up to you. Because when you train here, you'll have the skills to take you almost anywhere. All right, graduation's around the corner, and it's time to make a move. So grab your hood and let's get to it. Because when you can weld, the future is red hot. Call your representative today and start your enrollment.